Welcome to Future Fuel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact crossover that's redefining style, performance, and versatility in its class. Let's explore what makes the latest T-Roc a standout in Volkswagen's lineup. Introduction. The Volkswagen T-Roc has always been a crowd pleaser, blending sporty aesthetics with SUV practicality. For 2025, Volkswagen has taken this fan-favorite model to a whole new level, offering an enhanced driving experience, cutting-edge technology, and a refreshed design. Whether you're looking for a city commuter or a weekend adventure companion, the T-Roc delivers. Exterior design. The 2025 T-Roc gets a bold design update that's sure to turn heads. Its front fascia now features a sleeker grille flanked by sharper LED matrix headlights. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines give it a sportier look, while the redesigned rear showcases dynamic taillights and a more aggressive bumper. Volkswagen offers an exciting range of color options, including vibrant hues like King's Red Metallic and unique two-tone combinations that let buyers express their personal style. The 19-inch alloy wheels and sporty accents round out the T-Roc's refreshed appearance. Interior refinement. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an upscale cabin that perfectly balances comfort and functionality. Premium soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a redesigned dashboard make the interior feel luxurious. The new 10.25-inch digital cockpit is fully customizable, providing key driving information at a glance. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Volkswagen's latest MIB software. It's compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Plus, the available Harman Kardon sound system transforms your playlist into a concert experience. It's a certified safe for safety protection codes for the most transparent sound systems. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2025 T-Roc offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. The standard engine is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, delivering a solid balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, there's the 2.0-liter turbocharged option, which pumps out 190 horsepower and pairs with Volkswagen's signature 4Motion all-wheel drive system. The T-Roc's suspension has been fine-tuned for a smoother ride, and its lightweight chassis ensures nimble handling. Volkswagen has also introduced a hybrid variant, combining a 1.4-liter engine with an electric motor for eco-conscious drivers. Advanced technology. Volkswagen has packed the 2025 T-Roc with cutting-edge tech. The IQ Drive suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and front assist emergency braking. Parking is a breeze with the 360-degree camera and park assist technology. For adventurers, the T-Roc now offers selectable drive modes, including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road, allowing you to tailor your driving experience to any terrain. Practicality and versatility. Despite its compact size, the T-Roc excels in practicality. The spacious rear seats comfortably accommodate passengers, while the vertical cargo area offers up to 1,290 liters of space with the seats folded down. Whether it's groceries or gear for your next road trip, the T-Roc has you covered. At sustainability and pricing. Volkswagen remains committed to sustainability, incorporating recycled materials into the T-Roc's design and offering the hybrid model to reduce emissions. As for pricing, the base model starts at an attractive price point, with higher trims and hybrid variants, providing additional features and value. Conclusion. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc proves that compact crossovers don't have to compromise on style, performance, or innovation. With its striking design, advanced technology, and versatile functionality, the T-Roc is ready to take on whatever life throws your way. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this overview and want to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Future Fuel, where we bring the cars of tomorrow to you today. See you in the next video.